एंड उसके बाद मैं अभी चिया सीड कुछ Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share about the weight loss drink that I used to take every day and the weight loss drink that I haven't tried till now. So the thing first that is chia seed water with lemon that I take. तो फर्स्ट इज चिया सीड वाटर, तो जो मैं हर रोज़ पीती हूँ एम्प्टी स्टोमक पे, जो कि मेटाबॉलिज्म इंक्रीज़ करते हैं. एंड आई डिडंट फील कि हाँ सिर्फ चिया सीड वाटर पीने से ही वेट लॉस हो जाता है, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं. बिकॉज विद दैट आपको आपकी डाइट पे ध्यान रखना होगा, उसके साथ एक्सरसाइज भी करना होगा. सो एंड इट ओनली इंक्रीज मेटाबॉलिज्म. सो in the empty stomach, first thing I do have that is chia seed water with lemon and honey. Second thing, before I used to have chia seed water, I used to have lemon honey water, warm water. वो chia seed भी warm water, ये भी warm water. Second is a lemon honey warm water that I used to have every day. And उसके बाद मैं अभी chia seed कुछ महीनों से ले रही हूँ, तो उसके पहले मैं यही पीती थी. एंड इट इज़ वेरी ऑल्सो गुड फॉर वेट लॉस एंड इट ऑल्सो इंक्रीज आवर मेटाबॉलिज्म, तो which give us rid from the fat also. And it's lemon is a good fat burner fruit, I can say. Or second thing, or you can count it in the vegetables also. Okay. So thirdly that I drink, that is black coffee. That also after means that is post exercise or post chia seed water, I have my black coffee. That also increase metabolism, and metabolism increase मतलब फैट बर्निंग में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. और जिन लोग का हार्मोनल को ज़्यादा इशू होता है, तो डोंट टेक ब्लैक कॉफ़ी टू मच. एंड इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग ब्लैक कॉफ़ी ऑल्सो, अगेन you have to take care of your food, and you have to take care of your exercise and all you have to do. You have to be active. See, black coffee can't reduce your weight. Acha, fourth thing that I will recommend and I take, that is green tea. And green tea also increase our metabolism, which help in get rid of the external fat also. और सब चीज़ें मेटाबॉलिज्म इंक्रीज करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड इट हेल्प इन डाइजेशन ऑल्सो. ग्रीन टी ऑल्सो हेल्प इन डाइजेशन. यू कैन टेक ग्रीन टी पोस्ट योर मील, ऑफ एनी मील you can take green tea. And I don't take black coffee. Black coffee don't help in digestion, but green tea do help in digestion according to me, whatever I face. So you can take green tea. And thirdly and lastly, some means few years ago I used to take apple cider vinegar also, but I didn't feel so much of good about it. I didn't feel keen. I didn't get that benefit, though I took for 1 month. But I heard it also very good for weight loss, and it also give you the power, means it also give you rid from external fat and the fat, body fat also, body mass. So it is apple cider vinegar. And with that, these are the weight loss drink that I take, and except that I don't take anything else. And if you have to increase the protein of your body, then you must take protein powder with water or with milk, whatever is suited for you. So that's all. These all are about the weight loss drink that I take for me. Not everything every day. I personally take chia seed water, black tea and green tea. Not black tea, black coffee and green tea. And I don't drink plain coffee or milk coffee, and I don't take milk. I don't take anything related with the milk which create a indigestion problem also. So I don't take. So if anyone is suited with the milk, then you can take a milk tea and all. And I'm not a proper dietary, nutritionist. But these all I take for the weight loss purpose, and so that I get rid from the fat. Means it also help in reducing the inches also, black coffee. And obviously the main and the foremost thing that I want to mention, that is water. Plain water also help lots of water intake will blot it you, but the proper amount of water also help you to give rid from fat. So get you can have the proper water, proportionate of water for having weight loss, and warm water also help for burning fat. So plain water also help in reduction of weight. So this is the first and foremost thing I should have mentioned. I take 2.5 to 3.5 liter of water every day, and it also, तो सादा पानी भी बहुत हेल्प करता है फॉर द वेट लॉस. एंड इन द एम्प्टी स्टोमक इफ यू हैव अ 1 glass of water, it also help you not only for the weight loss, also clean the bowling system of our body. तो ये भी हेल्प करता है बॉलिंग सिस्टम को इंक्रीज मतलब इम्प्रूव करते हैं. तो taking a right quantity of water help you reducing weight and also help you clean your bowling system. So that's all about the water, which I should have mentioned first and foremostly. So these are the things that I take, and I took care of it for weight loss procedure. And not only weight loss, in daily life you should add up all these things for the correct balance in your life. Not only if you don't need weight loss, but for proper healthy life you should इंक्लूड ऑल दिस थिंग. आप लोग को ये सब इंक्लूड करना चाहिए एक हेल्दी बैलेंस लाइफ जीने के लिए, ताकि आप लोग हेल्दी रह पाओ और एक बैलेंस लाइफ भी जी पाओ. एंड द मोर यू स्टे हेल्दी द मोर यू लीव. जब तक मतलब जितना आप हेल्दी रहोगे उतना आप जी पाओगे. तो दैट्स अ मंत्र. एंड that's also these are the things that I follow, not for weight loss, also for being healthy and to continue a healthy life. So that's all. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल विच इज किंकिनीज व्लॉग्स बाय किंकिनी चक्रवर्ती. And hopefully we will meet with you with a new video and fresh video with other something. Okay, so tata till that time, take care. खुश रहे, सुस्त रहे, हैप्पी रहे. किसी को हो मत कीजिए, किसी को हर्ट मत कीजिए. जब भी बाहर जाइए प्रिकॉशन में से लेते रहिए.